Hi guys, this is Olivia. Today we're gonna learn multiplying decimals. In Korean, it's 소수의 곱셈. So to start this, we're gonna think of it with blocks. So say this block right here, the green one represents 1. And then we have 10 10 blue blocks, which represents 0.1. And then we have 1 blue block, which represents 0.01. Okay, so we'll have 100 of this little blue block to make it as 1. And then we're going to need 10 of this blue block to make it as 0.1. Okay, so let's think about this one right here. How do we calculate the area of a park that's 1.5 kilometers and 2.5 kilometers with the width of 1.5 and the length of 2.5? What we can do is just simply multiplying these numbers, right? So think of an example with blocks. To make 2.5, you're going to need 2 blocks of 1, right? And then you're going to need 5 blocks of 0.1. Need 5 of those. And to make 1.7, you're going to have 1 block of 1 and then 7 blocks of 0.1. So if we add all these blocks, it's going to give us, how do we figure that out? Yes, we just use it. We just solve it by using the multiplication of whole numbers. Multiplication of whole numbers. Great job. So we just simply multiply 17 and 25, which is going to give us 85, 340. The final answer will be 425, right? And since we have 425 for the multiplication for 17 and 25, if we were to do 1.7 times 2.5, we need to move the decimal points by 2 units to leftwards, right? So the final answer will be 4.25 for the part size. Okay, let's try this one. What you can also do is you use a rectangular model. So right now we need to solve 2.95 times 1.8, right? You can break down those numbers into 3 different units. First one, we have 2.95, which is this part right here. You have 2 of 1 block, and then you're going to need 0.95 of 1 zone, and then you're going to have 2 of 0.8, and then you're going to have 0.95 times 0.8, right? So if we multiply all these separate zones and then sum it up together, it's going to give us 5.31. Let's try this one here. We have 2.6 times 1.5. What we can do is we just use the multiplication of whole numbers, which is 26 times 15. It's going to give us 3, 130, then 6 and 2. So it's going to give us 390, right? And then we just simply move the decimal points. Since we had 2 numbers after the decimal points, we're going to move this decimal points twice. So the final answer will be 3.9. Great job. Let's try one more thing. Let's try this one. 8.9 times 0.3. So we just start by making it into whole number, which is going to give us 267. And now we just simply move the decimal points to units, which will give us 2.67. Okay. We have more problems following these, so feel free to solve it and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, great job today.